Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Ankr coin guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of Ankr coin. What's the price changes occur in the Ankr coin? Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Ankr coin. The currently live and latest price of Ankr coin is about 0.09537 USD dollar. That is the current live and latest price of Ankr coin. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so just the latest situation, the last 1 hour update of Ankr coin is positive 1.91%. And other side, if we look the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Ankr coin is negative guys. Only last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Ankr coin is negative. Except of these, the changes occur in Ankr coin is completely negative. I mean, you can see from yesterday, especially in September, the price of Ankr is very badly decreased guys. You can see very badly decreased guys. From this price chart, that's clear that is a very shock news from me. I'm very sad to see this kind of changes. In not only Ankr coin price falls down, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, these all coin, the fastest moving cryptocurrencies is negative in a right now situation guys. So what should we do in this critical situation? I recommend for you, especially for my viewers, my subscriber, that please hold, don't decide to sell. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.